So basically, I'm gonna teach you guys how to use the thing that you guys use for this class called FLL, and sometimes for other things like building robots. The thing is called Spike. You open it by searching up Spike, or there's another way, and that other way is by going into the Microsoft, Google, or Apple store and finding it. It's free on all of them, and you can get it for free. So if you guys ever join that class, you guys can always use Spike and pick Spike Prime or Spike Essential. Spike Essential is for kids, and Spike Prime is for older kids.